Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Forex and Crypto Auditor, and now I am again with the video for Unifinity, and this is my second video. So before we discuss about the project Unifinity, let's first understand what is the education system and what are the various problems associated with it. An education system is a group of institutions like academies, institutions, schools, universities, like that. Its main goal is to provide education to everyone who needs it. Today, we will discuss about what are the challenges in the education industry, how the technology is helping to improve, and the blockchain technology and its advantages. At the moment, the entire education system has grown up to a massive level, creating different milestones. But there are many issues with it, like payment issues, lack of trust among users, lack of technology, old and not so effective teaching methods, non-availability of teaching platforms, affiliations with top partners, and the list goes on. Few challenges for this industrial age education system, which are time consuming process of administrative procedures while admission and enrollment, lack of identification of fake student identities, their certificates, not having control over students' poor performance, not able to manage absenteeism, also delayed payments or utility bills due to not having a complete decentralized transaction system. Operational costs are too high due to expensive software required for managing the entire administration and so on. Due to the use of blockchain technology, system may get all its features like security, transparency, privacy, and scalability, which in turn enhances the power of being. Now it's it's possible to get these two integrated and also utilize the features of blockchain technology in education system along with AI and machine learning kind of technologies. We have one such an ecosystem that can do the integration of blockchain technology and the education system. There are some available, but not to that mark and up to our expectation. Now, here comes Unifinity, a real 4.0 ecosystem, education system, which is a next generation system. So, let us take a look at what actually the Unifinity ecosystem is. Unifinity is not just integrating blockchain technology, but also tokenizes the education system with Unifinity's ecosystem and its own utility token called UNY. It is possible to have great experience of teaching and learning. It is the ecosystem which is tokenizing the entire education system. It enables universities, schools, and institutes in such a way to use the blockchain technology and smart contracts for different applications related to it. Smart contracts are used for secure, transparent, and transactions with privacy. Now, main features of Unifinity ecosystem. It is more secure way to get diplomas and certificate. Also have self-sovereign identity to monitor fake student identities. Blockchain-based payment options provide very fast transactions. New ways to fund students' education, so no student can be left behind due to lack of funds. Incentivization and rewards mechanism ensures the genuine get rewards based on the performance. Unifinity is creating an interface between blockchain technology and different education systems along with top class infrastructure. This gives more power to universities to use the advantages and features of blockchain technology. This enables low cost, time saving, and better experience, making the education system unique. The Unifinity application has many advantages, which include more focus on marketing, enrollment system. It creates rewards platform, which is performance based, attendance monitoring system, creates virtual banking system, creating universal payment solution, also enhances the learning experience, identity verification system, and so on. Now about Unifinity's virtual platform. Unifinity's virtual platform is a world-class solution for all problems mentioned above. Advantages of these platforms are it's a complete management and framework within single application. It's with minimum cost of certificates, license free software you get. Also you can create your own landing page very easily. So no server management and maintenance. Fast transactions to receive payments quickly, also with high performance application. Now about few partners of Unifinity. These are STEM Robotics, Dash, XID, BRB Digital, DataBridge, CryptoX, Paylance, Finance Partners, Blockchain Council, is and Oxford Learning College, and so on. So the conclusion is Unifinity's ecosystem is revolutionizing the complete education system using blockchain technology. Its virtual classroom platform provides very user-friendly experience, also building trust into students and their parents within these institutions. Due to partnership with Dash, you can experience the payments faster than before. The unique concept is development along with the roadmap, and also a dedicated and highly experienced team is really making this project a unique and with sure success. So I hope you like this video. Please like the video, comment and subscribe to my channel Forex and Crypto Data. Thank you.